Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to show you a few things that I picked up from Topshop. There's not a ton of stuff, but just stuff that I am really excited about, and when I'm really excited about things I want to share them with you. So yeah, that is the gist of today's video. Topshop haul, hope you enjoy it. So the first thing I'm actually wearing is this white jumper. It's this blinding white jumper under the studio lights. It makes me look very tanned and glowy, and I like that. It's kind of like long-ish. It goes in at the bottom, which I find weird, but it's kind of useful for like rolling up on itself. I also think it's going to be quite good for tucking into things. I also have earrings in that are from Topshop. They're really pretty. There you go. I really love them. I saw them and I was just like, I have a lot of hoop earrings, but I need these. I just think they're really different. Topshop are actually doing a really killer job at their jewellery at the moment. I feel like I find lots of things that I actually wish they weren't like technically costume jewellery, and they were a little bit more well made in terms of like the metals that are used, a little bit more like sustainable, I guess, so that I could have them long term, because they are just such beautiful pieces. Like my Topshop snake cuff I just wear all the time, and I want to have like a kind of like version of it that just won't tarnish, because this is like, Topshop are making the kind of jewellery that feeds my soul and that I will keep forever, so I need to like look after this stuff. And I'm very excited to get wearing it with this, which is a slightly, I'm going to say off-white. I have never owned a white denim skirt, and I really like white denim. It pleases me. It looks great, and it always makes me look very tanned, which I love. Now that I'm fake tanning instead of actually real tanning though, New Year's resolution for Suze, look after your body. I'm slightly worried for all of my white clothing. However, we'll persevere. I am so excited to get wearing this combination, just like a little white knitted jumper and a white skirt going into spring. I think would be so cute, and then like a pair of brown boots or my snake print boots, because we all know I love those. Yeah, I just think it's gonna be so cute, and it's got a nice like frayed edging as well. I much prefer this on a denim skirt to like a very neatly like stitched hem on a denim skirt. I like it. I'm very excited to try this combination on, so I'll show you what that looks like right now. So this is what the white jumper looks like, and I've tucked it into the white skirt. I really love this combination. The one thing that I would say about the white jumper, which is the only thing about this that bugs me, is that it does that thing that ribbed jumpers do, like whether it's tucked or untucked, it dips. And for someone that has boobs, which most of us do in some capacity, I think whatever size jumper you get, you kind of, I think everyone can kind of understand this struggle where it just kind of like dips in the middle and just kind of looks a bit unflattering. What I would say to do is to get like a white bandeau. You can wear your, like your normal bra and stuff like that, but get a white bandeau top or a nude one, and just put that over the top, because then it will create a bit of a barrier there and stop it from dipping in so much. That is my little tip for if you want to avoid the boob dip, if you know what I'm saying. It's very cute. And then I've just paired it with my Topshop Topshop snake print boots. I love them. They go so well with a white outfit. I just love the look. And then I also picked up a trench coat. I've been looking for like the perfect trench coat for a while now, but yeah, I picked this up for one of my Instagrams that I was doing with Topshop, and I just absolutely love it. It's so pretty. I really like the kind of greeny yellowy toned buttons on it. Like, they look brown on camera, but they're actually more of a like yellow tone. They're kind of like a browny yellow tortoiseshell. They're really pretty. It's very long on me. I would say it's longer than the one I used to have, and in the past I would have been like, oh no, this is too long, I don't like it. But I love the length of it, and it just, I think it actually just makes it look even cooler. And I really like the texture of it as well. Like, it's got slightly different colours running through it, but only like very subtly. The material is slightly different to most trench coats. It's actually making my eyes go a bit funny looking at it. But yeah, I really love this. It's almost like a linen. Anyway, I'm gonna stop talking about the fabric, because does anyone really care? Apart from me, I'm just like, but yeah, it has a really nice belt around the middle, and I just love it. It's not like a tie, it's like an actual, like, has a kind of belt loopy bit, and I just think it makes it look a lot more chic, and I would actually wear it belted up. I think I'm at that stage in my life where I'm actually like, yeah, I would wear a trench coat belted, whereas before I've been like, no, what is happening to me? I don't even know. And this is the trench coat, which I think you may have seen by now in a what I wore in a week video, but I freaking love this. This outfit in particular is gold. It's very simple, I am aware, it's not groundbreaking at all, but I just really love it. I like
a kind of block of green, white, black, and then the snake print boots. But the thing that I love the most about this trench coat is just kind of the way it falls. This cut is beautiful. It's so very flattering. It's exactly what I need. I am a little bit vertically challenged, so when like I wear long things like this, they don't always look super flattering, but the cut of this is stunning. And I love these sleeves. So they've got this kind of like fastening at the side, and it kind of ruches them up, and you can kind of like tighten it and loosen it as much as you want, but I just love that kind of like rippled effect. And you can have them like obviously rolled up if you want, but I love the fact that the sleeves are quite long, but you've just got like, it pulls it up a little bit so you can still see your hand. And I just think it goes really beautifully with lots of the like neutral prints that I have in my wardrobe as well. Prepared to see this so much more over the next like year, because I'm in love. I'm officially in love. It is beautiful.
Next we have a pair of shoes, which I bought these partly because I love the style of them. They're kind of like almost not like a gladiator sandal, but they almost kind of are. They've got this like cool kind of perspex heel and this like caged style effect over the shoe. But I love these because these to me just scream like the 90s and 80s, because my mum actually used to own a pair of shoes that are almost identical to this back when I was a kid, and I always wanted those shoes, and by the time my feet were big enough to fit into them, they weren't really in fashion, and I think they ended up being donated to charity in the end. And I have always been really sad about that, because they were the one pair of shoes I remember I'd always open up my mum's wardrobe and I would always wear them around the house, and my feet were so tiny and they would just never fit, and I always like felt really sad that we didn't have those shoes, because as I got older I was like, oh, I'd put together outfits and be like, oh my god, those shoes would have looked really, really cool with this outfit. Why don't we have those anymore? And I just decided to pick these up because I know I'll get so much wear out of them. They're a really timeless shoe, and because they just make me think of my mum and her shoes, and I just think that's really nice. They are called the Ricci shoe. I think they're going to be very, very comfortable because the caging over them is actually like a fabric material. I don't know if it will show on camera, so it's all fabric, so it's not going to rub too much as like leather would. And yeah, I got them in a size 5. They've got a nice big blocky heel, and it's all like shiny and cool, and I really like it. So yeah, I think I'm gonna get a lot of wear out of these in the summer. I actually think they'll look really, really cool with these jeans. These are, I think they're called like a sulphur color on Topshop, but I love them. They're like a deep grey blue, and I think they'll look so cool with this jumper, but also with basically everything I own. And I just think that they're like the perfect colour. They're the mom jean style. I really love mom jeans at the moment. Just love them so much. I thought I'd get this colour. I don't own this colour jean, so it's a nice kind of like new addition to my wardrobe. I think it's going to be really, really lovely over the springtime, and it will work really well in kind of like those transitional seasons as well. I think it worked really nicely in summer as well with a lot of white. So yeah, I'm really excited about those. I also think these will look great kind of like on a night out with those shoes that I just showed as well. Just like a nice casual night out. They'll work really well for me in Brighton because like nights out down here are not fancy in any way. So that vibe is kind of like when you want to go out, that's kind of what you go for if anyone's coming to Brighton and wants to go out. Heels and jeans, guys, heels and jeans. So yeah, I'll show you what those look like now.
So these are the mom jeans and the shoes together. These shoes are so pretty. Love them. Don't think I mentioned earlier, but they have a zip at the back, so you don't have to undo and do up the buckle at the side, which is ideal. It does come up a little bit high though, so I would say depending on the shape of your feet, your heels and your legs, kind of like everyone's is slightly different there, so that won't irritate some people's legs, but I think for others it will. So just something to be mindful of. I really like them, and they're because of the block heel, they're very, very comfortable and easy to walk in. Yeah, I love the fit of these jeans. They're just so gorgeous. I really like the Topshop mom jeans in general. I just think they're amazing. So yeah, love them.
So I really did think I was done with leather jackets. I have my perfect like crop one, and I love it so much. And then the whole oversized leather jacket thing happened, and I really wanted one. I'm pretty sure it's faux leather, but it just doesn't feel cheap at all. Like the quality feels really nice, and it doesn't have like a weird funky smell to it, which pleases me greatly. And I do actually really like the fit of this one as well, and it's a little bit thicker, which I just think is quite nice for when the weather is cooler. And as we all know, I just really enjoy the oversized jacket trend, so I'm really excited about this one.
So this is the leather jacket. I actually think I'll get a lot of wear out of this. I think it would look really cute with hoodies underneath, and leggings and my trainers for the gym, but then I would happily wear this like on nights out and just during the day as well. I think it's going to be one of those really nice universal items. For me, it kind of reminds me of like a leather jacket, bomber jacket hybrid, just in the kind of like shape of it, which is basically ideal for me because those are two of my favourite styles of jackets in one. I really like it. I know it's probably not going to be to everyone's taste, but I like it and that's what counts.
But yeah, that is it for my wee Topshop haul. I really hope you guys have enjoyed seeing the things that I've been loving off Topshop recently. I will also link my blog post in the info box below that includes lots more things that I have been loving from their current stock, but that was just like too much for me to pick up. If you want to go have a look at that and my little edit, then I will link that in the info box. I hope you're all having the best day and I will see you guys again very, very soon. Goodbye. Love you, bye. Love you, bye.